Thank you for watching my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making better than sex with your ex cake. I mean, better than sex cake. From scratch. My ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of espresso, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 cup of 100% cocoa. Now I'll just mix it up, get it ready for the wet ingredients. Next I'll add a cup of buttermilk, a cup of hot water, a tablespoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of butter, 3 eggs, Next, I'll lightly butter a glass baking pan. And now I'll add the cake batter. I'll let it cook for 45 minutes at 200 degrees. Next, I'm going to smash these Heath bars and Butterfingers up with my Milwaukee hammer. Now I'll be adding 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk and a 1/2 cup of caramel. Cake's been cooling for about 10 minutes. About to poke some holes. Now I'll pour the caramel all over the top. Let it fall in the holes. Spread it around. Next, I'll add the toffee and Butterfingers. Now I place it in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half. Better than sex with your ex cake. I mean, better than sex cake. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button.